Chapter 8 Programming in Scratch. Blocks in Scratch are divided into different categories based on their functions. Each category includes a number of blocks to do different jobs. We have learned motion blocks, looks blocks, sound blocks, event blocks, and pen blocks in the previous class. Let us learn about some more blocks. Sensing blocks. Sensing blocks are yarn in color. These are used to sense the input from the keyboard or the mouse. These are used for both sprites and backdrops. Some of the sensing blocks and their functions are: ask "What's your name?" and wait. Ask the user to type the input using the keyboard. No other block runs at that time. Touching mouse pointer? Question mark. Checks if the sprite touches the mouse pointer, another sprite, or the edge. Touching color black? Question mark. Checks if the sprite is touching the color chosen in the block. Color beige is touching maroon? Question mark. Checks if the first chosen color is touching the second chosen color. Key space pressed? Question mark. Checks if the chosen key is pressed by the user. Let us create a script to understand the working of sensing blocks. Step 1. Click on the sensing block category in tabs. Step 2. Insert a sprite, Kai, on the stage. Delete the cat sprite. Step 3. Add a new backdrop to the stage. Bleach Malibu. Step 4. Now drag the Ask "What's your name?" and wait block to the script area. Step 5. Now click on Looks block category in tabs. Step 6. Now drag the Say Hello for 2 seconds block to the script area. Step 7. Click on the Sensing block category in tabs. Step 8. Now drag and drop the Answer block to the script area. Place the Answer block in the Say block. Click on the checkbox before the Answer block. Step 9. Click on the Ask block to run the script. Operators blocks. The operators blocks are green in color. They are used to control multiple functions like arithmetic conditions, maths equations, and string handling. Some of the operators blocks and their functions are doing calculations like addition, subtraction, etc. Comparing values like greater than, less than, etc. Let us create the scripts as shown here to understand the working of operators blocks. When green flag clicked, say 2 plus 5 equal to for 2 seconds. Say 2 plus 5 for 2 seconds. Say 2 multiply 5 equal to for 2 seconds. Say 2 multiply 5 for 2 seconds. When green flag clicked, say pick random 1 to 10 for 2 seconds. Say apple contains a question mark for 2 seconds. Variables blocks. Variables blocks are orange in color. They are used for initialization and for incrementing the values of variables. While creating programs in Scratch, we may need to store and use some values. These values can be stored in variables. A variable is a container that holds one value. The value can be a word or a number. Creating and using a variable. Let us use the blocks in the variables category. Step 1. Click on Variables block category. Step 2. Click on the Make a Variable button. A new variable dialog box appears. Step 3. Type a name for the variable. For example, we have named the variable increment. Step 4. Click on the radio button of either of the options. Choose whether the variable will be used. For all the sprites, global variable, or for this sprite only, local variable. Step 5. Click on OK button. the variable with the name increment gets created. Create the block stack as shown in figure. We can use the hide variable block or uncheck the box next to the variable name to hide the display of variable's value on the stage. Right-click and choose Delete Variable option to remove or delete a variable.